Welcome to the WSI Priority Media YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to advertise your business on YouTube. YouTube, it is absolutely one of the hottest growing trends for business to be able to use and advertise their businesses on. Videos growing everywhere. Take a look at what's happening right now with Instagram. Instagram has absolutely blown up, and now take a look at TikTok. I mean, TikTok is just spreading everywhere. Video. Why? Video is the most engaging content on the planet Earth. It is the most shared content on the planet Earth. It is the most memorable content on the planet Earth. And it is very, very easy to be able to position your business in YouTube right in front of your particular audience. Whoever your audience is, we can find that audience inside of YouTube. What's really great about YouTube is that you can, similar to Facebook video ads, right? You can use targeting and you can determine audiences and interests that people have, and you can run videos there. Really easy to do. And we normally will do that through a video campaign. And I'm going to show you in a minute how to be able to do that. Or what you can do with YouTube that you cannot do with Facebook, with Instagram ads, with any of those, that you can actually go to intent-based, keyword-based, because YouTube is owned by Google. Google owns the master keys to the kingdom to keyword research and what people are typing into their phones, into their keyboards or their computers. And so they know instantly when someone is searching, and even into their speaking devices, right? All that information is coming in through Google, and they're able to present it into YouTube when they're actually on YouTube, and be able to present you inside of keywords. So you have two very, very powerful platforms and strategies that you can use. But if you're going to go one route or the other route, you want to plan that carefully. So this is where careful planning comes into play. So step number 2 is usually going to be your campaign type, but step number 1 is going to be your audience, your goal. What do you want to do? So when you're planning a campaign, there's 2 major paths when it comes to advertising your business on YouTube. And the first one is, do I want to get my name out there? Do I want to build my brand? Do I want to build my brand awareness? Or B, do I want to generate leads at the lowest cost possible? 2 completely different campaign types. And so what you want to do is, say for example, you want to create a brand and build your brand. Well, then what you want to do is create videos that are memorable. Create videos that are funny, make people laugh, drive connections with people. And so you'll take, for example, off of the playbook of Liberty Mutual Insurance. They spend more advertising than almost any company in the United States. Their advertising budget is unbelievable with Google and with YouTube and with television. And so what they've done is they have invested in the long-term game. What they've done is run ads and run videos and run YouTube ads over and over again for brand awareness and reach. And so they know that you may not be shopping for insurance today or tomorrow or next month or 3 months or 6 months down the road, but they know down the road when you are, that you've seen their name enough times, that you have a good brand association. They've made you laugh. And you make somebody laugh, right? They're going to retain your name there. And so when they're searching for insurance, they just have the warm fuzzies. They remember your name. And what they're going to do is they're going to go to Google and they're going to type in Liberty Mutual Insurance. Why? Because you own mindshare and you've built that brand awareness. So what you want to do is use funny, use short videos, use a variety of things to be memorable. Okay? And now if you're looking for leads, you're going to go a whole different route. I'm going to spend some time here. When you're creating brand awareness, just use video and use skippable in stream, and you're able to go in and create a very simple ad, very straightforward. You can usually get cost per views that are very, very affordable, and you can start to build hundreds of thousands of views in a short period of time. If you're going to get leads, then my recommendation is discovery. When you get inside of a discovery campaign, now you're actually going to go in and you're going to create ads. What you're going to do here is, if you're running a brand awareness, you can target broad. You can go into audiences and you can go into interests interests that people have. And you can do the same thing in Facebook. For example, you choose audiences. But if you're looking to generate leads, this is where YouTube is king, because you can go deeper and you can actually go into keyword searches. No other platform on the planet Earth can do that. Facebook can't do it. Instagram can't do it. No other video marketing campaign. It's because Google owns YouTube, and Google is the absolute king of the world when it comes to keyword searches. Everybody uses Google to do their searches, and because Google knows what they're searching for, they're able to feed those viewers right into your YouTube ads. So if you're going to go the discovery route, what I recommend that you do is that you go a little bit deeper than audiences, and you can actually go into keywords. So you start putting in your actual keywords when people are searching for those keywords. And in this case, instead of paying cost per view, you're going to wind up paying a target CPA. They will tell you what the recommended target CPA is. You accept that, and you literally will go in and you will build your ads. Normally you'll put in about 4 or 5 headlines, 4 or 5 subheadlines, 4 or 5 images. You run them together, and then you allow the algorithm to get that in front of the people that are actually keyword searching. So very powerful ways when you're coming to advertise your business on YouTube. These are the 2 really great ways to go. I hope that this information has been helpful for you today. And if it has, leave me a comment, ask me a question below in the comments. Make sure you like the video, and there should be a subscribe button right up here if you want to be alerted to new videos that we have coming out in the future. Click on that, and I'll be talking to you on the next one.